everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be reviewing another beautiful car, and this time it's the 2018 Mercedes-Benz C250 Cabriolet. Its 2.1 litre diesel engine gives it 201 brake horsepower and 500 Newton meters of torque. The car from the outside is beautiful, but it's when you sit inside that you begin to notice that everything, upon first look, from the beginning to end, just screams luxury. However, when you drive this car for some time, you do begin to realise that the materials in some places are really cheaply made. Some parts began shaking and making noise, especially when driving on roads with bad conditions. On my trip, it averaged 34 miles per gallon, which isn't too bad. The seats are nice and comfortable, and it's an easy drive. Overall, the car is a very nice drive. Inside there is plenty of room, even though this is a two-door coupe. This is an AMG line, so the suspension is a little bit stiffer, but it's still manageable. For me though, the steering wheel was very light, probably just a little bit too light in my opinion. It felt, well, a little bit fake. And it's an easy drive, so this car can be used for long journeys with no problems at all. Actually, both Mercedes and BMW these days provide a real lack of quality on the interior finish, which is very disappointing. Okay, now time for the important stuff. 0 to 60. Coming in at 6.8 seconds. Not bad at all. So my verdict is in. I give this car a 7 out of 10. For sure, it's a nice looking car. It's nice to drive. However, it's just some of the materials that will leave you feeling a little bit disappointed. And as we all know, Mercedes, well, they're not renowned for their reliability. But if it's an eye-pleasing cabriolet that you're looking for, then this car might just be for you. Okay then guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Please remember to like and subscribe and don't forget to press that bell icon to stay notified the next time we upload. Thank you and goodbye.